What's up? Today we're going to be copying a YouTube channel that probably brings in around $7,000 to $10,000 a month. I am not even kidding. This guy gets insane views and anybody can make these videos. Let's get right into this. This is going to be a longer type video, editorial type, but hey, the first one's probably going to take you 20 to 30 minutes to make, and every other video you do after that will probably take you 5 to 10 minutes. You do that twice a day or 3 times a day, you will have a consistent channel that maybe can bring in 10K a month. Are you gonna do it? I know I'm doing it. Let's do it right now. Yo, what's up? Today we're gonna be copying this YouTube channel, and the reason I picked this channel is because I have an AI channel that I post a lot on, but this guy is killing me in views, and I'm just gonna show you a little bit of what he does. I'm gonna pick the most popular video, which is at 25 million views, but every time this guy posts, it's just millions and millions and millions, and he's very, very consistent, and he has a specific niche. It's like ranting while watching Roblox. Now we're gonna copy not exactly everything because you're not allowed to do that, but we're gonna just have a look at quickly an example.
This man is scared he'll never die. Meet Ishmael Azizi from...
So you get the point. He rants. I can't let it play because of copyright issues, but I'll show you how I'm going to take his channel's functioning niche right now and translate it to mine. Now I do have a personal channel, and I have an AI channel, and I have a dog channel and a marketing channel. I have a lot of channels, but none of them get these kinds of views. And today we're gonna try, and I'm gonna show you, I know how to make these videos, so why not make them on my AI channel that I've been kind of slacking on recently. It's called Gone Wild AI, by the way. So first of all, we are gonna have to use ChatGPT. So I'm gonna start a new chat, and I'm going to copy some of his stuff, but I'm not gonna take his videos. So that's something that I'm gonna do differently. Let's take his most popular one, and it's called Bro is Invincible. First thing I'm gonna do is click on this video. I'm gonna change in the search bar, replace shorts with a video, and that's gonna give me a video style video. Like instead of 9:16, this is 16:9. And I'm gonna go into the description, click on more. I'm gonna grab the transcript, show transcript, and I'm gonna grab it here. And this is called ranting style content, and it's very popular right now, and this is not the only channel doing this. So I'm gonna copy this transcript right in here, and I'm going to tell ChatGPT, make me more ranting content like this for my AI channel. Let's see what it does. The man who can't sleep. Okay, well, it's giving me like with seconds in it, and we don't want that. So we're gonna say in one paragraph without numbers, a rant style video. Bro, you will not, okay, so it gave me the script. Bro, you will not believe this man. I just found he basically cheating life itself. Okay, I don't want not exactly the same video, but pick a different topic, something funny and viral. Let's see what it gives me. Cat meetings, but factual and mind-blowing rant style content. Bro, you will not believe this, but the universe is straight up weirder than any sci-fi movie. Like now, there are literally stars that have exploded thousands of years ago, and we're just seeing it happen like a cosmic delayed broadcast. So this looks pretty good. It could fry the planet in seconds. The planets are made entirely of diamonds floating out there, like bigger than Earth. Shorter. I want it shorter and end with mic drop line. Okay, all right, perfect. So we got our script. I kind of like this one. We're gonna go into 11 Labs. 11 Labs is an AI voice generator. I could use my voice. If you go on my main channel, I've been making these videos now for the past couple days, and I don't have the stats yet on how they're doing, but that's okay. I'm logged in. Text to speech. We are gonna use a voice called Adam, and boom. We're gonna put it in, we're gonna generate the speech.
Bro, you will not believe this. The universe is straight up insane. There are literally planets made entirely of diamond bigger than Earth just floating out there. Stars that exploded thousands of years ago and were...
Is it me or there should be an S here? ChatGPT. Like it. Let's generate it again.
Bro, you will not believe this. The universe is straight up insane. There are literally planets made entirely of diamonds bigger than Earth just floating out there. Stars that exploded thousands... Bro, you will not believe this. The universe is straight up insane.
There we go.
There are literally planets made entirely of diamonds bigger than Earth just floating out there. Stars that exploded thousands of years ago and we're only seeing them now. Black holes so powerful they bend time like it's Play-Doh, and quantum particles just randomly popping in and out of existence like the universe has cheat codes we don't even understand. Meanwhile, our entire galaxy is hurtling through space at unimaginable speeds on a rock spinning at 1,600 kilometers per hour. And somehow, against all odds, we exist, conscious, thinking we're in control of anything at all. When the reality is, the universe doesn't care about us one bit. And somehow, we're still here. Bro.
Perfect. Download, save it, right here. Save it in my video file. Okay, so I got my audio. Now I'm obviously gonna use CapCut here, but you can't see right now, so wait. Why is it window? Alright, I'm in CapCut. I was working on a video earlier. We're gonna delete all of this. And there's actually one more thing. If you notice, there was Roblox in the background, but we're not gonna use Roblox. We're going to use why not? Fine, we'll use Roblox. So what you could do is go on YouTube. It always spawns me to this guy's channel. Roblox content. Do Roblo content. Roblox parkour. Oh shit. Parkour gameplay. Dope gameplays. Glide tower. Let's see what this is here. This is perfect. So you see this? I could just record straight from the screen. Or you could go on another website. YouTube convert P4 file. I don't know. So basically you grab the URL, you bring it into this website, you click download, wait for it to generate. Sometimes it won't let you do it. If it's copyright, it won't let you do it. Roblox tower. This is copyright gameplay audio. Let's see if I click this. Download MP4. 640 by 360. That's terrible quality, but it's not really the end of the world because I'm gonna bring it down to by 16. Why isn't it downloading? What is this? Well, let me download. This one sucks. Let's try this one. So I think it's loading here. Download in desktop. The only version I could get is the 480p. So what I'm going to do, 1440/60. So what I'm going to do is just record it straight from the screen using OBS. So I'll be back. I'm going to do that myself just because I want a higher quality footage, and I'm going to record all 6 minutes and then I'll be back to finish this video. All right, we're back. So I just screen recorded this whole video. Basically, it's a video from Dope Gameplays, and he just plays and he puts his gameplay on there, and you can use it in all your videos. So whatever you want to use, you can use it yourself. No copyright. He uploads regularly, so there's a lot of new content. Try to take the new stuff coming out so it's not very repetitive for people watching. Now I've already uploaded into CapCut and I've cropped it just a bit. So this is what it looks like real fast. So I don't want, that's a little loud too, right? So I'm gonna delete at least this part. I want him to already be in the parkour when the video starts. Let's see what happens here. There we go. So it's parkour already. He's already trying to do the map thingy. And we have two of them, and the reason we have two of them, we're gonna take one and we're gonna make it bigger, and we're gonna blur it. We're gonna go into filters. No, effects. Sorry. Is it there? I just type in blur. So there you go. One's supposed to be blurred. It's not. There you go. So the back one is blurred and the front one's not blurred. So it creates this effect. Now we're gonna bring in our 11 labs. Remember we had that Adam voice thing? 11 labs. How long is it?
Entirely of diamonds bigger than Earth. Bro, you will not believe this. The universe is straight up insane. There are literally planets made in...
So that's not bad. We're gonna zoom in a bit here. We're gonna put it at the beginning. I like the script. What I don't like about it is the speed. We're gonna bring it over to 1.3-ish. And I'm gonna change the audio pitch to funny audio pitch. So it's gonna sound a little like, hey, what's going on?
Bro, you will not believe this. The universe is straight up insane. There are literally planets made entirely of diamonds bigger than Earth just...
So you see how this is too loud? So what we're gonna do is, first of all, this is too long as well. Bring it over. What's going on here? How long is this clip? It's 41 seconds. 41 seconds is pretty good. And I'm gonna add some music. So this is some music that I made with AI as well. It's called Rogue Tides. It's kind of like some intense music. It's not funny. And I like to end it on a slow ending. I put it here. So this is what I have so far.
Bro, you will not believe this. The universe is straight up insane. There are literally planets made entirely of diamonds bigger than Earth just floating out there. Stars that exploded thousands of years ago and...
The music's just a touch too loud, so I'm gonna bring it down a little bit more.
Bro, you will not believe this. The universe is straight up insane. There are literally planets made entirely of diamonds bigger than Earth just floating out there. Stars that exploded thousands of years ago and we're only seeing them now. Black holes so powerful they bend time like it's Play-Doh, and quantum particles just randomly popping in and out of existence. Universe has cheat codes we don't even understand. Meanwhile...
So it sounds pretty good, honestly. It's not bad. We're gonna make this better, and I'll show you how to make this more to get people's attention. And dude, the guy making these videos pumps out 2 or 3 a day, and you don't want to do more than that because you'll oversaturate your own channel, so we don't want that.
Bro, you will not believe this. The universe is straight up insane. There are literally planets made entirely of diamonds bigger than Earth just floating out there. Stars that exploded thousands of years ago and we're only seeing them now. Black holes so powerful they bend time like Play-Doh.
So look, this video is already getting... So far it's very good. We're going to add some captions, so I'm going to click on captions. And I like to use the captions with the emojis usually, but because I'll be putting in some GIFs and some pictures into this as well, we're not going to use the one with the emoji. I'm going to use one that changes color, pink, maybe not pink. I'm going to go on the trending ones, and this one's pretty good too. Let's use this one. Generate captions. So we're generating the captions here. So we're going to add captions as well, and we're going to put the captions a little high up, so we can put our pictures in the middle. So we're going to put the captions probably right underneath the blur section. Maybe in between like this. See what this looks like.
Bro, you will not believe this. The universe is straight up insane. There are literally planets made entirely of diamonds bigger than Earth just floating out there. Stars that exploded thousands of years ago and we're only seeing them now. Black holes so powerful they bend time like Play-Doh, and quantum particles just randomly popping in and out of existence. The universe has cheat codes we don't even understand. Meanwhile, our entire galaxy is hurtling through space at unimaginable speeds on a rock, spinning at 1,600 kilometers per hour.
Oh, so you see how this guy has a subscribe thing there? So I'm going to actually try to get that with my crop right here. It's not center it. There you go. So now we got the subscribe clicking thing as well.
Bro, you will not believe this. The universe is straight up insane. There are literally planets made entirely of diamonds bigger than Earth just floating out there. Stars that exploded thousands of years ago and we're only seeing them now. Black holes so powerful they bend time like it's Play-Doh, and quantum particles just randomly popping in and out of existence. The universe has cheat codes we don't even understand. Meanwhile, our entire galaxy is hurtling through space at unimaginable speeds on a rock, spinning at 1,600 kilometers per hour. And somehow, against all odds, we exist.
You know what song you could put is that Interstellar song here, but I'm gonna use my own music just because if I use my own music, I can post it on Snapchat, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, name it, you won't get in trouble. Now, if you noticed Jim's World's content, we're gonna go back to Bro is Invisible, this guy here. What's different about his content than mine so far? Let's see.
This man is scared he'll never die. Meet Ismail Azizi from Tanzania. Doctors have legit declared him medically dead 6 separate times.
One thing I already noticed was he removed the spacing. So see how there's like spaces here inside the script. So the script flows better. So you can click on this and you can click on, where is it, transition? Nope, it's transcript. I can right click and go to transcript for free. So now it's going to give me the transcript and it's going to cut out all the spaces of the amount of time that I'm going to give it. So anything below, so any pauses that are anything under 0.3, remove. So it should have removed the pauses. So it's going to be a little bit shorter now, and my captions are all messed up. So I got to regenerate these captions. I didn't like the captions as well, so we're just going to take something different. I don't like how the line moved over. I'd rather like quick words that pop into the screen. No, classics. The classic ones usually work the best. Quick. And there's like 2 words. Find a good one. You're gonna find a good one. I like this one, but it's pink. This one could be good. I like this one. All right, let's use this one. Regenerating the captions. Regenerating them. And once you've set up one video, all the other videos will flow naturally. It takes a while to do the first one, but once you're used to it, it'll go faster.
Bro, you will not believe this. The universe is straight up insane.
See that? You gotta be careful here. Put it too big.
There are literally planets made entirely of diamonds bigger than Earth just floating out there.
So the next thing that I'm gonna show you guys is I like it when the video swooshes in. I want to give it some effects. The more effects you give it, They're called animations, so I'm gonna give it a...
Bro, you will not believe this. The universe is straight up insane. There are literally planets made entirely of diamonds bigger than Earth just floating out there. Stars that exploded thousands of years ago and we're only seeing them now. Black holes so powerful they bend time like it's Play-Doh. And quantum particles just randomly popping in and out of existence. Universe has cheat codes we don't even understand.
So now I'm just gonna add in some pictures. Something that'll get your attention away from this video and towards the pictures. So there's this website that I'm using right now for GIFs. It's just called Giphy.com. It's free. I'm gonna write bruh, sure, bro. I want something that starts like, bro, this mouse here is funny. So I'm gonna download this mouse. I'm gonna save it to...
Bro, you will not believe this. The universe is straight up insane. There are literally planets made entirely of diamonds.
So planets made up of diamonds. So I gotta look for something in the GIFs. Let's see, planets, let's see what it gives me. I'm looking for something like planets made of diamonds. It's not gonna be end of the world as long as we get the reference right. Or just planets. I actually like the first one here. This is pretty cool. Again, I'm gonna save it. Come back to CapCut. Bring it over. Smile. Put it right in the middle. Make it shorter. Bring over the click sound swoosh thing. And where I wanted it to. That was weird. Fudge. So we got.
Bro, you will not believe this. The universe is straight up insane. There are literally planets made entirely...
I want the planets to be here.
There are literally planets made entirely of diamonds bigger than Earth just floating out there. Stars that exploded thousands of years ago and we're only seeing them...
Stars that exploded. I don't know, stars? Exploding stars? Dude, this is perfect. From the Lego movie. If you can use things where people can relate, even better. This one caught my attention right away. Back in CapCut. Bring it over. I don't know why. The clicker.
And quantum particles just randomly popping in and out of existence. Universe has cheat codes we don't even understand.
I feel like cheat codes should be one, but let's just keep going here.
We don't even understand. Meanwhile, our entire galaxy is hurtling through space at Meanwhile...
Galaxy hurtling through space? Bro, this looks like a galaxy hurtling through space right here. Boom, save, back, bring it over.
Understand. Meanwhile, our entire galaxy is hurtling through space at unimaginable speeds on a 1,000...
Rock's spinning, and it's spinning. This looks like something is spinning fast. Why not? There we go.
Spinning at 1,600 kilometers per hour. And somehow, against all odds, we exist.
So I feel like against all odds, we exist. I'm gonna write humans, and then I'm gonna go like happy. Just happy. See what I get. We could go Seinfeld. We're gonna use this guy. Go back. So somehow we exist, and then it's gonna go like...
We exist. Conscious.
I'm gonna go to audio. Yay. Perfect. Bring that over here. I'll turn it down a bit. See what that does.
We exist. Conscious. Thinking we're in control of anything at all. When the reality is, the universe doesn't care about us one bit. And somehow, we're still here.
And I'm gonna end it with an audio sound. Like a swoosh. Another swoosh maybe? Sure, let's add this weird one here.
And somehow, we're still here.
There we go. So that's my video. Let's see what it looks like.
Out of existence like the... Bro, you will not believe this. The universe is straight up insane. There are literally planets made entirely of diamonds bigger than Earth just floating out there. Stars that exploded thousands of years ago and we're only seeing them now. Black holes so powerful they bend time like it's Play-Doh. And quantum particles just randomly popping in and out of existence. Universe has cheat codes we don't even understand. Meanwhile, our entire galaxy is hurtling through space at unimaginable speeds on a rock, spinning at 1,600 kilometers per hour. And somehow, against all odds, we exist. Conscious, thinking we're in control of anything at all. When the reality is, the universe doesn't care about us one bit. And somehow, we're still here.
Done. That's it. That's how you make that video. So if we're gonna compare real quick to the other one, that the gym one. Where'd it go? This guy here.
This man is scared he'll never die. Meet Ismail Azizi from Tanzania. Doctors have legit declared him medically dead 6 separate times. 6! But every single time.
If it's not on this channel here, it'll be on Gone Wild AI. I'm gonna go, bro, insane universe. And that's it, man. That's how you do that. So I hope you guys learned a lot. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions or concerns. I also offer coaching. You can check out my website at www.h2kmarketing.com for some help. And I'll be happy to help personally. Peace out.